How to delete Facebook account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to your Facebook application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging into your account, you can just tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen, then scroll down and you can see the options of settings and privacy. Tap on that, then tap on settings again. Now here you can see the option of see more in account center. Tap on that. Now you can see by scrolling the option of personal details. Tap on that. So here you can see the option of account ownership and control. Tap on that. Then tap on deactivation or deletion. So choose the account that you want to delete. Tap on the account and here you can select the option of delete your account. So when deleting your account, it becomes permanent. So and you won't be able to retrieve the content or the information that you have shared in Facebook. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.